is sticking out. So I'm like, help me, please. Help me.
Hey guys, I am back in business in the family cooking show.
All right, so we're in the kitchen.
Chef David in the house.
So we're in here and we're making a juice.
The world's best fruit juice.
So we're making a juice.
Correction, world's best fruit juice.
Okay, say it again.
Correction, we're making the world's best fruit juice, Nana.
Okay. So this is what we're doing right now. We're putting all of these.
And if you can,
what's happening?
the oranges and the apples are having a rivalry.
Why are they having a rivalry? And one poor grape is sticking out. So I'm like, help me, please. Help me.
Wait, where?
He's right there. He's right there. He's like, help me, please. So, David's doing the peeling. Nana's already doing the cutting. He's also washed and rinsed some grapes because there's evidence of one grape there.
He's right there.
There he is. So we're gonna put all of our fruits into this bad boy.
Tea orange, tea orange, tea orange. Oranges done, grapes is a go. Hey, get it? Get it! Oh, stem. Say that they're trying to make a strong friendship because they want to invade the oranges, but that's still theoretical. People get so mad hearing this. Oh my god. The lore with fruits is a lot. I'm telling you, it's a lot of lore.
So we're back to the juice. This is it with pulp and all.
Which me and my grandfather do not condone pulp. It ruins the drink.
I am drinking the pulp. Thank you very much. It's extra fiber for me. So this is the juice that we usually get out of that combo with the little extra juice that we have.
Should I give this to Papa?
Yeah.
This Nana over here literally does not care. She has pulp. Pulp, pulp, pulp.
Yeah.
I told her to stop getting pulp, and I told her she might as well collect it for something. She said eat it, and I'm like, no, there's way too much pulp. This is for Papa. Yes, I have a special cup. What? I like special cups.
Just make it.
Ooga, ooga, ooga. Anyways, guys, this is basically the end, and I'm telling you, we're making grilled cheese. We're using this cheese. 10 out of 10, 5 stars. Highly recommend. Anyways, see ya. Peace.